Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. I am Rakesh Chawla, a practicing Vastu consultant and a quantum coach. I believe in miracles. Do you? Well, if you don't, you start believing in them. Unless and until you believe, how will they happen? Today, I shall be talking about and giving you tips on how to improve your finances. Well, who doesn't want to increase finances? Everyone wants to increase finances. Finances, we cannot just increase by placing objects here and there. First of all, we must have the right mindset that invites more finances than what we have. So just think. The first thing that you need to do is think. How much do you make annually? I repeat, how much are you making annually? Are you satisfied with the figure? If not, write down the figure that you are making today and write a figure that you would like to make. Once you write a figure that you would like to make, just focus on it and ask yourself, how can I reach there? Number two, think of ways, think of what activities, think of what actions you need to do to reach there. And number three, most important, you must feel that you are already there. I repeat, you must feel that already there. Unless and until you feel that you are rich, I'm repeating, unless and until you feel that you are already rich, riches don't come to you. This is the law. So the question normally would be asked that how can I feel rich when I have very little bank balance? Well, this is the story of everyone's life. Having little bank balance does not prevent you or stop you from thinking big. You are only looking at what factually your bank statement is saying. But no one is stopping you from imagining that this figure can be increased 10 times or is increased 10 times. The moment you feel that you have 10 times the money in your bank, see how you feel. You start feeling good. So the first change is in your attitude towards money. Number two, don't ever condemn people who are rich. Don't ever say they must have done something wrong. They have so much of money, so they must have done something hanky-panky. Never. You must appreciate the wealth which others have. They must have worked hard to get it. Forget the ways and means. For you, it is not important. For you, it is important that the wealth is with the person. And you have to appreciate the wealth with whosoever it is. Whether it is your friend, your cousins, your relatives, whosoever, your seniors. You must appreciate the wealth. And you must believe that you can also get the same. Now, after having changed your mindset, what you need to do in your surroundings is A. Keep the northeast of your house clean. Or your office, keep it as clean as possible. Try and keep a running water feature, a water fountain in the northeast. That will give you brilliant ideas to improve your wealth and your financial situation. Number three, keep a statue of Lord Kubera in the north. Lord Kubera is the Lord of wealth. Keeping the statue in north generates and motivates you to generate health, to generate wealth. It helps you to focus on what you can do to increase your financial status. Feeling that you already have it. I repeat, feeling that you already have it, then every little thing that you do in your space will enhance the feeling and will help you to get you there. So start with changing your mindset. Start with the figures. Believe that you can do it and it will happen.